To make specific contacts ring on silent on Android, you need to utilize a feature called exceptions or priority mode. This feature allows you to select specific contacts that can ring even when your phone is set to silent or do not disturb mode. First, go to your Android settings and look for the sound or sounds and vibration section. In this section, you will find the option for do not disturb mode or a similar setting that allows you to customize how your phone behaves during certain times of the day or night. Next, look for the option to add exceptions or allowed contacts. This may be under a subsection called priority mode, or it may be a separate setting altogether. Once you have found this option, you will be able to select which contacts are allowed to ring even when your phone is set to silent. You can choose to allow calls from anyone, contacts only, or star contacts. Star contacts are those that you have designated as favorites in your contacts list. To star a contact, open your Contacts app and select the contact you want to star. Then, look for the option to add to favorites or star this contact. This will move the contact to the top of your contacts list and also allow you to select them as an exception in your Do Not Disturb settings. After you have selected which contacts are allowed to ring, you can customize the settings further by choosing which types of notifications are allowed. For example, you may want to allow calls but silence texts or other types of notifications. By following these steps, you can make specific contacts ring on silent on Android, ensuring that you never miss an important call from a loved one or colleague. This feature is especially useful if you need to keep your phone on silent during certain times of the day but still want to be reachable by specific people.